Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a whole green screen. I'll show you what we're talking about here. Here is the poles for it, and we have the green screen here. So let me show you what we've got. And let's see what we have here. So this is it here. This is going to be the stand for it. I'll probably need to set this up in the other room to show you guys it. But you can see we've got poles and parts here. Clips. Let me set it up and I'll show you guys what it is here. But let's go ahead and get all the pieces out. Looks like it's going to be really easy to do. Oh, I don't know what's, oh, it's bubble wrapping. All it is a single one of these, a single tripod that's going to have it going in the middle. So I'll go like that. Raise it up. I'm going to aim you guys down over here so you guys can watch me kind of. So let's say I was putting it there. Then I have my screen. Looks like it's going to go as such. Okay, like that. And then it's going to go onto this. Okay. Okay, so now you see I've got a cross beam on there. And now I have the green screen, so let's go ahead and open this up. And see what we got. It does have a little loop area where we could wrap it around it, but we also have the clips. So I'm just going to clip it to show you guys what we got. So let's go ahead, clip one there. It's got 4 of these clips, so you see I'm just doing a very quick little job of it here. We've got 2 more clips, so I didn't center it very well, but you get the idea. So there we go. And now I have a green screen, so I could be in front of the green screen. I mean, look how quick that was. This video is not even 3 minutes long, and I have a green screen set up. So super easy, super great. If you need a green screen, this is one here is it. If you want to take a portable, if you're doing an event and we need to be like taking pictures and stuff of people in front of it, this is a good one. You could probably go a little higher. This goes all the way down to the ground right now, so it can go higher and kind of go middle instead of having it so low. But I have roof issues and stuff here, but you get the idea. Very cool. Nice green screen. Thumbs up.